today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for an Instacart delivery job. Now, if you're considering a flexible way to earn extra income, Instacart offers a great opportunity to work as a personal shopper. Let's walk through the straightforward process of getting set up to start your journey with Instacart. First, head over to the Instacart Shopper website. This is the official portal where aspiring shoppers like you begin their application process. Simply type a quick search in your browser or click on the direct link if you've got it saved. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up option, a prominent button generally located towards the upper right or center of the page. Clicking this will take you to the initial registration steps. Next, you'll need to create your account. Creating an account will involve setting up a username and password. Make sure to craft a strong password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. This account creation typically involves filling in some basic contact details like your name, email address, and phone number. This is crucial as Instacart will use these details to correspond with you. Following this, you will be asked to provide more detailed information. Instacart requires you to input details such as your address, vehicle type if applicable, and your preferred work schedule. These specifics help them understand how you can best fit into their delivery network. Input all your information accurately to avoid any delays or issues later on. Afterward, you will be prompted to submit certain documents. These documents generally include proof of identity, vehicle insurance, and registration. In some cases, they may also request additional documentation based on your location. Ensuring you have clear scans or photos of these documents will help in completing your application smoothly. Then comes the background check. Instacart performs this to ensure the safety and reliability of its workforce. There's nothing to worry about here, just be sure to answer with honesty, and the process is usually quick. The background check is handled by a third-party service, so you may get communication directly from them to confirm details or clarify information. Once you've successfully navigated your background check and all your documents are in order, you will receive an approval notification via email or text. This step confirms that you are now a certified Instacart shopper. Finally, once approved, you're ready to start accepting orders and earning money. You can now log into your account via the Instacart Shopper app, check out the available shifts, and select the ones that fit best with your schedule. This platform provides flexibility, allowing you to choose when and how often you want to work. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide to beginning your Instacart delivery job. Remember, the key is to follow the steps carefully, ensuring all information is correct. With this path, you're all set to enjoy the flexibility and earning potential Instacart provides. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your new venture.